श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री दत्तगुरुवे नमः। श्री 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 विठलानंद सरस्वती गुरुवे नमः। चैप्टर 29। श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। The great power of Bhasma. In this chapter we can know power of Bhasma, Vibhuti. Trivikrama bowed to Sri Guru and asked, "O Guru, how did the Chandala get knowledge and how did it vanish after the bath?" Sri Guru said, "He received knowledge when I sprinkled Vibhuti, the sacred ashes, on him. His knowledge disappeared when the ashes disappeared. One who applies Vibhuti will become pure and whole and get knowledge of Brahman." You see, this is the power of Vibhuti. When you apply Vibhuti to your body, your third eye point, you will become pure and whole and get knowledge of Brahman. Then he narrated a story. In Krita Yuga, there was a Mahayogi named Vamadeva. He used to apply Bhasma to his body. He was without pride and desire. Once he wandered into a forest named Kraunacharanya. There a demon came to eat him, but as he held Vamadeva, some Bhasma on Vamadeva's body rubbed off onto his body. As a result, the demon's sins were washed away and he received enlightenment. O Trivikrama, once sins are washed away on one's coming into contact with a person of good character and integrity. The demon bowed to Vamadeva and prayed for redemption. Sri Guru asked the demon about him. The demon said, "Now I remember my 25 previous births, before which I was a king named Durjya. I was a wicked king, harassed my citizens, including women, and drank alcohol. Due to all this, I had to go to hell and become a ghost for 100 years. Then I took birth as a dog, a jackal, and other animals. I was tired of all these births. Then I became a demon. Although I eat so many animals, I am still hungry. So
Dattatreya Namaha. Om Dram. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha.
I came to eat you, but the contact with your body has washed my sins away. I have attained peace and acquired knowledge. O compassionate one, redeem me and explain to me how I attained knowledge due to contact with the Bhasma on your body. Vamadeva said, "The power of Bhasma is great and limitless. You touched my body on which I had applied the sacred ashes. With these words, he put the power of the Shiva mantra into the bhasma and gave it to the demon to apply. The demon said, "O Sri Jagadguru, I met you due to my good deeds in my previous birth. As a king, I had built a water tank and gave lands and cows to Brahmins. So now I have been rewarded, I have been purified." With these words, he applied bhasma to his body. On doing so, he immediately got a heavenly body. Vamadeva was an incarnation of Trimurti Dattatreya in form of a rishi. As Jagadguru, he wandered from place to place to redeem humans. This demon bowed to Vamadeva and attained moksha. This was the story Sri Guru told to describe the glory of Bhasma. The power of Bhasma is great. Even a demon was saved by it. But no mantra is successful unless it is blessed by a Guru. That is why they say no salvation is possible without the Guru. No salvation is possible without Guru, without meeting Guru, without living with Guru. He is the liberator and the protector. Yes, Guru is the liberator and the protector. That's why you must surrender to Guru, one living form. Yes. Sri Dattaya Guruve Namaha, Sri Sripada Sri Vallabhaya Namaha, Sri Nrsimha Saraswati Namaha. 29th chapter completed. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara, 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 Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara. Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara. Sri Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, Sri Datta Guruve Namaha, Sri 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 Vitalananda Saraswati Guruve Namaha. 30th chapter. Sri Ganesaya Namaha, Sri Saraswati Namaha, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. The death of a young Brahmin husband. When Sri Guru lived at Gangapur, his name and fame spread all over the country. The desires of all were fulfilled by the favor of Sri Guru. Gopinath, a rich Brahmin, lived at Mahur. His issues did not survive. Both the Brahmin and his wife were devotees of Sri Datta. They had a son. When he was of 5 years, his thread ceremony was celebrated. When he became 12 years old, his marriage was celebrated. When he was of 16 years, the couple looked very charming. Both loved each other intensely. Unfortunately, the youth fell ill. Many medicines were given. His wife served him devotedly. He could not take full meals, so she also did not take meals. After 3 years, he developed consumption. His body emitted foul odor. Even physicians did not like to go near him, but his wife served and nurses him with great devotion. She took only as much food as her husband took. The medicines given to him were also taken by her. She gave up rich garments and lived a very simple life. The parents of the couple were rich. They were pained to see the sufferings of their son and daughter-in-law. Jap, vrat, charity, sacrifices, feeding of the Brahmins and the poor had been done, but all was futile.
Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om.
All were passing days in grief, relying on the Almighty God. The youth tried to console his parents and wife in various ways. The wife requested her father and mother-in-law to send them to some good holy place. She said, "My husband would recoup his health there." Sri Guru Narasimha Saraswati lives at Gangapur. His name and fame have spread all over the country. Hence, send us to him. The parents managed for their journey to Gangapur and said to them goodbye with heavy hearts. On the way, the youth had Tridosh, and when they reached Gangapur, the youth died. The wife wept bitterly. She dashed her head on the ground. The local persons tried to console her, but it was in vain. She claimed, "I brought you away from your parents and have been the cause of your death. I have committed a great sin. How can I show my face to them now?" She fell on the dead body and wept. She decided to observe Sati and burn herself with the body of her husband. In the meanwhile, there arrived a bright-looking sannyasi with ash, bhasma marks on his body, with a wreath of Rudraksha round the neck and locks of Hari on his head. Knowing the cause of her mourning, he began to advise her, saying, "Everyone gets the fruit of his actions in the past. You need not mourn on the death of this youth. Everyone who is born has to die one day or the other. When Ganga is flooded, logs of wood from different places come together and again part. Several birds come for shelter on a tree in the night and fly away in the morning. Similar is a family life. Due to affection, we say my father, mother, husband, wife, son, daughter, etc. But just as foam or bubbles in water do not last long, so is the life on this earth. Life is like a dream, so do not mourn. Sri Dattaya Gurave Namaha, Sri Sripada Sri Vallabhaya Namaha, Sri Nrsimha Saraswati Namaha. 30th chapter completed. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Sripada Vallabha Digambara. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara, 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 Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara. श्री सच्चिदानंद समर्थ सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। अवधूत चिंतन श्री गुरुदेव दत्ता। श्री सच्चिदानंद समर्थ सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। अवधूत चिंतन श्री गुरुदेव दत्ता। Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, Sri Datta Guruve Namaha, Sri 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 Vittalananda Saraswati Guruve Namaha. 31st chapter. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha, Sri Saraswatya Namaha, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Code of Women's Behavior. Hearing the advice, the young wife requested the sannyasi to tell her how she should behave. The sannyasi explained to her the code of female behavior. He said, the code is mentioned in the Kasi Kand of the Skanda Purana. Agastya Muni lived in Kasi. His wife Lopamudra was a great devoted wife. Vindhyagiri mountain was a disciple of Agastya. Once Narada came to Vindhya and said, "You are praiseworthy in all aspects, but there is only one thing wanting in you. You are not as high as Merugiri." Hearing this, Vindhya got enraged and began to grow. He grew so high that he touched the sky. Due to this, the entire country in the area of Vindhya plunged into darkness. Consequently, the Brahmins could not observe their daily rites and sacrifices. The rishis told this to Indra, who went to Brahmadev and narrated this to him. Brahmadev said, "Agastya is the guru of Vindhyagiri. Send him southwards. Seeing Agastya, Vindhya will come down to bow to him. Agastya should then ask him to be in that very position and not grow high. In this way, this calamity can be removed." Indra, accompanied by Brahaspati and other gods, came to Agastya at Kasi. They worshipped Agastya and Lopamudra and praised them. At that time, Brahaspati, guru of the gods, narrated the code of behavior of a devoted wife. He said, "Arundhati, Savitri, Anasuya, Lakshmi, Parvati, Shantarupa, Menaka, Suniti, Sanja Devi, Suryakanta, Swaha Devi have all been devoted wives. So is Lopamudra a great devoted wife. Every devoted wife dines after her husband has dined. She respects the guests and the elders and greets her husband when he comes from outside. She does not disobey her husband."
Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om.
She worships her husband, thinking him to be Sri Shankar. She serves him in the night and goes to sleep after her husband has slept. She gets up before her husband, cleans the courtyard and sprinkles it with water. After bath, she worships her husband and takes his tirth. She dresses and wears ornaments when her husband is at home. When he goes out, she does not have a makeup. Even if the husband speaks harshly to her, she does not retort. She does not abuse him. When he comes home, she greets him and asks him what he wants. A devoted wife, when she goes out, does not look at other persons and returns home soon. She does not observe any vrat or fast or does not give anything in charity without the permission of her husband. If there is some function, fair or ceremony in the town, she does not go without her husband's instructions. If the husband is happy, she is not dejected, and if he is in grief, she will not come joyful. If she is in monthly course, she does not come in front of her husband and does not hear the Vedas. After bath on the fourth day, she gives company to her husband, and in his absence, she only sees the sun. She applies halat kumkum kajal and wears the Mangal Sutra round her neck, bangles on her wrists for the long life of her husband. She does not make friendship with the washerwomen, concubines, atheists, and those who cajole their husbands. A woman should not live deserting her mother and father-in-laws, brother-in-laws, brothers and sisters. She should not bother putting off all her clothes. She should not sit on grinding stone or mortar pestle. She should not argue with her husband. She should not behave in such a way that he would be displeased. Even if the husband is moneyless, miserable, weak, diseased, or thoughtless, the wife should consider his as God and be obedient to him. She should not compare him with other rich and strong persons and censure him. Devoted service of the wife to her husband pleases Trimurti Dattatreya. A woman retorting angrily to her husband becomes a dog, fox, or dumb or pauper in 7 lives. Even if the husband is weak, he should not be disregarded. She should not speak loudly or laugh in presence of the elders. She should not look towards other persons with lust. If she does so, she is degraded morally. A husband is the soul of his wife. She is regarded auspicious as long as her husband is alive. After the husband's death, she is regarded inauspicious. While going to some place, if a widow is seen, it is considered inauspicious except to her own son. If the wife observes sati, that is, she burns herself with the dead body of her husband, she attains all glory. She liberates the persons of 42 generations, 21 of the husband and 21 paternal. If the husband is sinful, still she takes him to heaven. Yama's servants also are afraid of a sati. The virtue of going sati is immense. On the contrary, if a woman is adulterous, she sends her 42 generations to the hell. Those who have a sati in their homes are really fortunate. They attain 4 valorous purusharthas. Their acts are virtuous. That home is like a forest which is without sati. In this way, Brahaspati told Lopamudra regarding the behavior of a devoted wife. The same was narrated by the sannyasi to the mourning woman. Sri Datta Guruve Namaha, Sri Sripada Sri Vallabhaya Namaha, Sri Nrsimha Saraswati Namaha. 31st chapter completed. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara. 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 Digambara, Digambara, Avaduta Chintana Digambara. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara. Digambara, Digambara, Avaduta Chintana Digambara. श्री सच्चिदानंद समर्थ सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। अवधूत चिंतन श्री गुरुदेव दत्ता। श्री सच्चिदानंद समर्थ सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। अवधूत चिंतन श्री